Lots of people keep their money in a bank or credit union. Let's talk about how they're different and discuss some banking terms like savings account, checking account, interest, ATMs, and checks.
Aren't banks and credit unions both financial institutions?
Both offer the same products and services, such as savings and checking accounts, loans, mortgages, internet banking, and more. But there are a few differences between banks and credit unions. The main difference is anyone can join a bank, but credit unions are usually for members. Membership is often for a specific profession, for example, Teachers Credit Union or Navy Federal Credit Union.
Okay, got it. Some people have a savings, some people have a checking account, and some people have both. What's the difference between a checking and a savings account?
Good question. A savings account is for money you want to save. It's important to save money. Also, savings accounts usually pay interest.
Interest? What's interest? I am very interested in knowing.
You're clever, Josh. Interest is money the bank pays you for keeping your money in their bank. Also, when you borrow money, you have to pay back the amount of money you borrow, plus interest.
What is the other type of bank account?
The other type of bank account is called a checking account. A checking account is for money you use regularly. There are two ways to withdraw or take out money from a checking account. One, using your debit card to withdraw money from an ATM or make purchases. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. But be careful, because if you use an ATM that's not from your bank, you could be charged a fee. So to avoid fees, be sure you know what ATMs you're allowed to use.
What is the second way to get money from your checking account?
The second way to withdraw money from a checking account is to write a check. Checks include a lot of information. The check holder's name and address, check number, date, pay to the order of who you're writing the check to, the amount in numeric form and written out in words, memo line, signature line, routing number, and account number.
That's a lot of information.
It's simpler than it looks. Let's practice writing a check.
Okay, let's do it.